Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale under 30 million that can be found in Jamaica. House number 1. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house found on Mickleton Boulevard in Linstead, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 5,000 square feet and it is currently on the market for 30 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. First, we have the veranda. And next is the carport. We then move along to the living area. This is the dining area. And next we have the kitchen. Followed by that are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third bedroom, and this is the fourth bedroom. Out of 5 bedrooms, 4 were shown. We then move on to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, third, and this is the fourth bathroom. Next we have the laundry area. And from here we head back on the outside. Now this would be the end of house number 1. House number 2. For this, it is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house found in the community of Retreat in Brownstown, St. Anne. The size of this house is 1,700 square feet and it is being listed for 27 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a look. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. Next we have the bathroom. Now here we have the laundry area with an additional standing shower. We're then going to head on the outside. And that would be the end of house number 2. House number 3. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is found in Hummingbird Estate in Maypen, Clarendon. The square footage of this house is 2,803 square feet and it's on the market for 28 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a look on the inside. Here we have the veranda. Next is the living area. Dining area. And this is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of 4 bedrooms, only 2 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 2 were shown. From here we're going to head to the back of the house. And that will be the end of the images for house number 3. House number 4. Now here we have a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house found in Whitewater Meadows in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 2,581 square feet and it's been listed for 29.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living area. And this is the kitchen. Next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third, fourth bedroom, and this is the 5th and final bedroom. Up next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. Out of 3 bathrooms, 2 were shown. And that will be the end of house number 4. House number 5. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house found in Runaway Bay, St. Anne. The size of this house is approximately 2,000 square feet and it's been listed for 30 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the veranda. Next is the living and dining area. Here is kitchen number 1. And this is kitchen number 2. Next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is a 3rd bedroom. Out of 4 bedrooms, 3 were shown. We move on to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 2 were shown. From here we're going to head to the back of the property. And that would be the end of house number 5. This also brings us to the end of the video. So if you are interested in any of the houses that were shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.